Hi, nice to see you.
Nice to meet you.
Come on in.
Good, Bella.
Thank you. What's on your wish list?
I don't want to have this happen anymore. Stuff. So for me, organization is super important.
Organization. We need a drop-off center. Place of kids, that way the family members can come in and drop everything off and down on the floor.
Correct.
You cook a lot? So maybe we go with a bigger cooktop or a bigger range top.
Yeah.
And you know what I can really envision here is maybe getting rid of this table. We can elongate this island all the way out to where that table is. Basically do a very large L. Then I can make the island not only 2.5, 3 times the length, we could also make it almost double the depth. We can center cooktop over here, or the range, and when you would walk in, this should be a feature to have your prep centers left and right of this. You've got this whole island to use for prep, cooking, serving, entertaining, multi-purpose. If you're okay with this, what I could really envision is taking this wall out, removing this closet, and I know on the other side of the closet is a pantry, walk-in pantry. We could remove that as well, and this would be one large area.
Yes.
We can still do a large pantry cabinet in the kitchen, so you won't be out of pantry storage. And with this being one huge area, this could be what I like to call, a big mudroom or family management area.
Yes.
We can still keep the washer and dryer over here with some additional cabinets.
That would be great.
Benches, you can come in, everybody can sit down, take off their shoes. Tons of hooks and storage for all the sports bags and everything that you mentioned, with all the sports that your kids play. And you guys will be